this. We have this. I'm closing this now. So we have our Django app working correctly, and then we have our template and our bootstraps. Everything is working fine. So we are going to proceed and then put this on the web, host it, and that's going to be very fantastic. So the site that I use is PythonAnywhere.com. So if you are not signing or you don't have account, just go. Let me log out here. Go to sign up. When you go to create a beginner account, then you enter your username. Now note the username is going to be your default subdomain to Python Anywhere. So let me take my portfolio for instance, gcoffee3. Now this gcoffee3 now over here, this gcoffee3 is my username that I've chosen, and it is pythonanywhere.com. So you can see this is jcoffee.python. So this is my username, and that is going to be your subdomain for your website. So you get that one correct and make sure you are using that one. Get your email, your password, and then you get your account verified. Okay. For security reason, I'm not going to show that part. So do this and get your account verified. They will send email to your account and you continue. All right. I have logged into my um to my account on Python Anywhere, and this is my dashboard. This is my dashboard. You'll be directed to this page. You can see dashboard, consoles, files, web, and tags. Now, this takes some few minutes and go through this. So consoles are just normal console that you use to work around your app, and then the files is where you're going to put all your files that your web app is running. That's where you are going to put it, and then the web is your web app that you create. Now we'll first start with our web. So I'm opening this in a new tab. Now I've already created one. Okay, so it's named jankhost.pythonanywhere.com. So I'm going to delete this, and then we start from scratch using the same thing. Now when you go to app, if you've not created one, this is what you see. So you come to the add new web app, and here you go to next. Now you see these options here. Just go to manual, don't go to Django, just go to manual configuration. You saw from the very beginning that my version of Python is 3.11.9, but then they don't have that yet. So I'm taking the closest, which is 3.10. I take that and I go to next. There is the need to create a virtual environment, but for this tutorial, I'm going to skip that and then proceed with our. Now, the web app is created, and this is it. If I open this website, I'm going to see something was wrong, something like power. Yes. So hello. Well, like this is a dummy Django Python anyway. They just create this for your web app. So you need to set it up. You need to upload all your Django projects that you have here. The Django project that you have here, all the files inside this one. So this is your project. You have to upload this entire project into Django, Python Anywhere, and then you host it there. So we are done creating a web app. Now we need to set it up. One thing that you need to do is we have to go to files. We need to close it. We need to go to files and then upload our file there. But then uploading our files one by one is going to be a hectic. So I will rather zip this entire folder. This is my project folder, like the entire project folder. Going to zip it, compress to zip file. I'll upload it there, and I'll extract the file there so that I'll have it inside it. Other than that, you need to go to through a whole lot. I don't want to bring in GitHub and all that, so this is the simplest that I want to use. All right, so I'll go to files here. The base of my file directory, it is home slash your username. So I'm going to upload a file. I think by now it is done. Okay, so okay, it is done now, and then Django host, and this is the zip file that we just zipped. Open it, get it uploaded. All right, my file has been uploaded to the base directory of my files page. All right, so the next thing that I'm going to do is to unzip this, and there's no option other than for me to use a console. So I'm going to open a console here. I'm going to open a console here, and then inside I'll unzip that. Okay, so inside my directory, the main user name, the file is there, so I'll do unzip Django, the name of the file, Django host dot zip. So it will extract all the files into the folder, the same folder as we were having on our machine. After it is done, we can come back to our files page. We refresh this page. Okay, it's already there. So now we can see the folder here, and then all our stuffs are in here. You can see that it's the same app, Django, static, and a template. I also have our database here, and then our database here and our manage.py, and our templates are inside there. So that is the start of our work. Now we have our Django web app uploaded to Python Anywhere. What is the next thing? The next thing that we have to do is set our source code directory to the directory or the part of our folder that we will see our manage.py. So when we go to our files page, let me open that. So on our first page, we have Django host, and then inside here, we are not seeing anything. So we have to enter the folder. So it's like we've copied this folder, this entire folder, this entire folder here inside there. So that entire folder is named Django host, and it is here. Now, when we open this, we are going to have app, Django host, static, and template. So it's the same order. So what we are doing here is to bring that directory here to Django host slash Django host. This first Django host is the username of our site, and this is the Django project that we created. Django project that we created. All right, so that is that, and then we also have set this up as like the working directory. Now, as I said, there's next thing that we need to do is what the static file. So you need to set your static file URL, and then you have to set your static file directory. So that one is Django host slash Django slash static. That is the folder your static files are located in. So you just need to set it that, and that will be all. So make sure you set this rightly or correctly. So Django host, your username for Python Anywhere. Django host here again is your Django project name, and this is slash your static folder. So the next thing that we need to do is to configure or tell Python Anywhere that if we are receiving a traffic, we are opening our website, what should you do? Right now, this is what you see, the thing, the WSGI of. So this is the WSGI directory, and it's a certain file where we are opening that and see what is inside. Now, when you open this, you scroll to Django. Django, yes. So if you are Django, then you get to this point, you stop. The first thing you need to do is to uncomment these two lines and also uncomment these lines, these four lines over here. But you need to comment it, yes, and then these two. Alright, so this one is saying that if you're assuming that your Django setting file is at home/Django/my site. So the name of your Django project and the name, like inside your Django project, the main folder, there will be the same folder as I shown you over here. So this is Django, the main folder, and there's another Django. So this is what they are talking about. So right now here you come and change this my site to Django host, and then you change this one to the my site to Django host. Now that is pretty all about this. So you just have to uncomment these lines and change this ones to your Django project name. And then you save this. So if you save this, then when you run your Django app, you are going to see your Django app clearly. And we've already set, you need to save this. You need to save this file. Come click on save to save. Alright, so when you come to your you come to reload your page, and then you open the website, right click on this. Something went wrong. Yes, you are going to see your web page open fully.